Hello and welcome to DataOn's headquarters. Today, I want to give you a quick tour to our building in the Nisi Bintaro campus. So, let's follow me. Now we are on the 4th floor. Our 4th floor is a technology floor and is very vital for the success of our company. This floor is shared between several departments with different tasks and responsibilities, starting with the design of our SunFish and Workplaze products to delivering the best solutions and services to our customers. Around 250 people work here in teams for software design, solution delivery including implementation and maintenance, quality assurance, ACM development, tech developments, development operations, and customer service. This is the space where our two solution delivery teams sit headed by Andre and Frankie. They are divided into two sub-teams for maintenance and implementation. These two teams are providing end-to-end services to the customer, which start with requirement assessment of the software needs to getting the software live and continue support thereafter. So, we can tell they are pretty busy with programming and coding, testing, data validation, progress meetings, discussion with clients to make sure everything goes smooth, is delivered on time, and the customers are happy. Now let's meet our tech development and development operations run by Teguh and Ronald. These two teams make sure that our products embed the latest trends and innovation in IT and software architecture. They make sure that the inner workings of our software is smooth, reliable, and fast. Now let's meet the HR counterparts Abdi and Tiono. Both had different parts of the HR development. One the crucial functions of HR like payroll, time and attendance, and the other our strategic modules. Both make sure that our software integrates the latest HR trends and best practice. And let's not forget our customer service team. They are the best at handling customers' questions, problems, and add-on requests. Last but not least, on the 4th floor, let's meet the design team. If you have wondered who is responsible for the new awesome interface that Workplace presents, then look here at our design team headed by Ricky. Our 4th floor has a very focused environment. On this floor, we combine all the ingredients for a great soup. The soup being our SunFish and Workplace software and service that our customers and partners have come to trust. While our tech and customer teams are very crucial, the company wouldn't work without the 5th floor. Are you curious? So, let's follow me. This is our in-house data center. We have more outside the office. This is where we host our internal product development, testing, and have many screens to monitor that server performances and security. It looks cool, doesn't it? Also, on this floor, you will meet our HR, legal, GA, and finance teams. They keep us in check with that our spending isn't out of control and we comply with all sorts of laws and regulations. Now, let's meet our IT support team. They are tremendously helpful when we have problems with our laptops or need solutions for database issues. Last but not least, let's meet our sales and marketing teams. The sales team has a really big responsibility. Each one is in their own way responsible that customers buy our software. Sales build great trusting relationships with the prospects and clients. Now, let's meet marketing communication team on the 6th floor. Marketing makes sure we have a good brand and send a concise message of who we are and what we stand for. The team also who support with content, social media, website, and events. The last department we want to introduce is on the 2nd floor. This is where Wisnu and his team sit, who are responsible for our payroll outsourcing operation. This team is the best when handling different payroll outsourcing solutions reliably and satisfactorily for our clients. Thanks to their competence, that part of our business is steadily growing. This is the view from the roof of our office, which is where we will end our tour today. Isn't it nice? Thank you for joining me on this behind-the-scenes tour. I hope you can see that we work hard for our customer success.